Here we go, guys. We're running the Surefire Ryder 22S suppressor. Very nice looking can, and you can't go wrong with Surefire. So we're gonna give this a try on the Ruger 1022 Lite and a Ruger Mark IV. We're just running some hollow point CCI mini mags. So let's see how she sounds with this. Here's the steel again. So yeah, no hearing protection, sounds great. Real quiet. I don't have subs on me to really give it the quiet challenge, but yeah, definitely doesn't ring the ears whatsoever. Very enjoyable. You know, has a little bit of a crack with the supersonics, but that's to be with the breaking of the sound barrier. So yeah, great suppressor. Let's see what we got next. All right, guys, running the Surefire Ryder 22S with the Ruger Mark IV. Let's see what it can do. 25 yards. Locking back. Pretty sweet rig. Very quiet. Looks great with that Mark IV. Love the machining on it. Let's go check it out. Pretty accurate too. Might have had a couple flyers, but hey, it's 25 yards, you know. So yeah, not too bad. I got gloves on too, come on. So yeah, pretty sweet. Check it out, guys. Go get yourself a 22 suppressed pistol. They're awesome. So, and these, not the cheapest setup, but I'll tell you what, you get what you pay for. It's like buying a tool.